LeafGuard review. Is it better than regular gutters? I tested it out and here's what happened. If you're tired of cleaning clogged gutters and wondering if LeafGuard is actually a better long-term option, this will help you decide quickly if it's worth upgrading. LeafGuard is a full gutter replacement system, not a simple cover you add to existing gutters. The old gutters are removed and the new system is custom fitted to your home. Once it's installed, there's nothing you need to manage day to day, which is one of its biggest selling points. In real use, LeafGuard does a solid job on keeping leaves and larger debris out. Rainwater flows along the curved edge and into the gutter during normal conditions, which means fewer clogs and less overflow compared to traditional open gutters. For homes with lots of trees, this can make a noticeable difference. It's not perfect though. In very heavy rain or on steep roofs, some water can overshoot the gutter. This doesn't happen often, but it's something to be aware of. While maintenance is reduced, it's still smart to check the system occasionally. Compared to regular gutters, the biggest difference is cost and flexibility. Traditional gutters are much cheaper upfront and easier to repair or modify. LeafGuard costs more because you're paying for a complete system and professional installation. So is LeafGuard better than regular gutters? If you want a low-maintenance long-term solution and don't mind the higher price, it can be worth it. If you want to save money upfront or prefer flexibility, regular gutters may be the better choice. Now you have a clear picture of what LeafGuard does well and where it falls short, so you can decide if it's the right upgrade for your home.